Judge Phillip Loubser is expected to rule this morning on whether Advocate Laurance Hodes, who is representing former Free State Premier Ace Magashule and businessman Edwin Sodi, may cross-examine Hawks investigator Benjamin Calitz. Calitz is charged Magashule's former PA Murwadi Cholota in connection with the Free State asbestos corruption case. On Wednesday, Hodes argued that cross-examining Calitz is crucial as Cholota is the state's main link to Magashule's alleged involvement. Our reporter Juniour Khumalo is in Bloemfontein and joins us now with more. This cross-examination is also a key attribute of the process today. So we're waiting for that outcome from Judge Phillip Loubser. Just again, share with us what's led to this and what we're expecting from your court this morning.
Indeed, Iman, we do expect Judge Phillip Loubser to hand down a ruling after yesterday we did see Advocate Laurance Hodes making that application to cross-examine the Hawks lead investigator in this case, Benjamin Calitz. He is the one who basically charged Ms. Cholota, who was the former PA to Mr. Ace Magashule in 2021. Even yesterday we did hear some of the transcripts from that interview that actually happened in the United States where the Hawks as well as the FBI interviewed Ms. Cholota. In that particular interview, there was a lot of pressing by the Hawks as well as the FBI on the links between Ms. Cholota herself as well as Mr. Magashule. So this was pointed out by Advocate Hodes as grounds basically to cross-examine this current state witness, saying that there was some information that was said there that was inaccurate against his own client. So he has the right to basically cross-examine now at this point, because should Ms. Cholota then not, should the court find that it does not have jurisdiction to hear the Ms. Cholota case, then most of the charges against his own clients then will fall away. So those were the grounds that were given by Advocate Hodes on his wish to cross-examine this particular witness. We do expect the judge to come back with a ruling on that, but yet more delays are expected to continue on this matter. As you remember, Iman, that we are still within a trial, when we're still trying to establish whether this particular court has jurisdiction to hear the matter against Ms. Cholota. But there's another accused in the matter. Thabani Zulu was the director in the National Human Settlements Department. His legal representative has also indicated that they are challenging whether this court has grounds to hear the case against him as well. So once we are done with this trial within a trial on the Cholota matter, there is that expectation then that the court will have to then rule as well on Mr. Thabani Zulu, whether it also has jurisdiction on him before the trial on the asbestos matter itself gets underway. So quite a lot of delays are expected to get underway. But yesterday, most of the day yesterday was spent on Ms. Cholota's legal representative herself poking holes on the extradition process, saying that there was a lot of misrepresentation when it comes to the South African authorities, the information that they gave to their U.S. counterparts, leading to Cholota being brought back to the country. Claims that Ms. Cholota had evaded law enforcement at some point in her life when she was in the U.S. This was basically said to not have been true by the witness himself, who is currently on the stand. So that was that cross-examination by Ms. Cholota's legal representative was wrapped up yesterday. Today we do expect that ruling by the judge, Iman.